Another day, another chance. Yeah, be discussing to you all about everything that needs to be discussed. Not just discussed, but going over this quiz now. So let's get it and let's go. Let's get it. What is the primary difference between comparable and comparator? Comparable is implemented in a class to define its natural ordering, while comparator is used to define custom sorting logic outside the class. Which method must be implemented when using the comparable interface? Yes. One needs to be for objects. What happens if two objects are equal according to compared to? Should should return zero? Return zero indicate no difference in order. Which of the following correctly implements a comparator for sorting integers in descending order? What would be the output of the damn following code? The comparison sorts students by roll number in ascending order. You know, so the output is 10 gig 1, 101 gig 2, 105 gig 3. If a class implements uncomparable, which method must it override? Mm, equal to no. Object O. Which statement is true about comparator in Java? The comparator method should return, hold on. So, unlike comparable, which defines one natural order, comparator allows multiple custom orderings by creating multiple comparator objects. In comparable, the compared to method should return the positive integer if current object is greater than the specified object. Both equal positive current object is greater, negative current is object is less. So yeah, so that's pretty much redeemed here. So yeah, you have completed 8 out of 8 questions, and the accuracy is 100%. Beautiful. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching the video. Take care and have a nice day.